Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this upcycling project, I transformed an old kimono style dressing gown into a wearable dress. I picked it up for a couple of dollars from my local thrift store, and it was on the last chance rack, so it was probably destined for landfill. The first step was to pin the open front and then stitch it together. The most important part of this was to make sure that the hem at the bottom lined up. Next, I used an existing top as my template for the sleeves. Once I've cut my first sleeve, I fold the kimono in half, and then that forms my template to cut the second sleeve. Because the kimono was quite wide, I just cut off the existing side seams, pinned new ones, tried it on, and once I was happy, I sewed the new seams on the machine. Next, I used bias binding to create the new seams for the sleeves. I used an orange bias binding because I had some spare, and I also thought if you saw it through the side of the dress, it would kind of give a nice pop of colour. To create the nipped-in waist, I sewed 2 rows of shirring elastic. To work out where I needed to create the waist, I measured from my shoulders down to my waist. I then transposed that figure over onto the garment, drawing a line that I would follow on the machine. Sewing with shirring elastic does take some practice, and it's all about getting the tension right based on the fabric that you're using. Usually what I'll do first is just use a scrap of fabric that I've cut from the garment and do some testing on that first. And here it is finished. It's a really cute summer dress. I actually wore it to work and got some encouraging comments, so I'm really proud of how it turned out. If I find another kimono when I'm thrift shopping, I'll definitely grab it, but I might try something different next time. Thanks for watching. I try and upload a few videos each week, so make sure you subscribe. See you next time.